Well, chapter polynomial exercise 2b क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में वो कह रहा है वेरीफाई दैट 3 माइनस 2 कॉमा 1 आर द जीरोज ऑफ क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल पी एक्स इक्वल्स टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 एंड वेरीफाई द रिलेशन बिटवीन इट्स जीरो एंड कोफिशिएंट। तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये वेरीफाई करना है कि 3 माइनस 2 एंड 1 इस क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल के जीरोज हैं। अगर 3 माइनस 2 1 इस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोज हैं तो ये वैल्यू रखने पर मुझे मेरे क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या होगी, जीरो के इक्वल होगी। तो सबसे पहले हमारा पी एक्स है एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 एट x इक्वल्स टू 3। जब हम x इक्वल्स टू 3 रखेंगे तो हमारा पॉलिनोमियल P3 will be equals to 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 cube is 27 minus 2 into 3 square 18 minus 15 plus 6. So this will become 27 and 6 33 and minus 8 and minus 50 minus 33. So P3 is equals to 0. So hence x equals to 3 will be 0 of given polynomial. Now at x equals to minus 2, p minus 2 will be minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 2 square is plus 4 and plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 5 into minus 2 will be plus 10 plus 6. So minus 16 plus 16. This is also equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2 also be in 0 of given cubic polynomial. Now at x equals to 1, p1 will be 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. 7 minus 7, that is also equals to 0. Hence 3 minus 2 and 1 will be zeros of cubic polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation between 0 and coefficient of polynomial. So we have given 3 0. First 0 is alpha, that is 3. Second 0 is beta, that is minus 2. And third 0 is gamma, that is 1. So firstly, as we know, sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equals to minus b upon a. Now comparing given polynomial with standard form of cubic polynomial. So हमें polynomial दिया हुआ है x क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6. On comparing with standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. From here our a will be 1, B will be minus 2, C will be minus 5, and D will be 6. So our B is minus 2. So our alpha is 3, beta is minus 2, and gamma is 1 equals to minus B. So minus 2 upon A is 1. 3 minus 2, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So 2 equals to 2. Now sum of product of 0 taking 2 at a time. Sum of product of zeros taking 2 at a time, that will be equals to alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha, that is equals to C upon A. So our alpha is 3, beta is minus 2 plus minus 2 into gamma is 1 plus 1 into 3 equals to C minus 5 upon 1. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, and plus 3 equals to minus 5. So minus 8 plus 3 equals to minus 5. So from here minus 5 will be equals to minus 5. Now product of zeros, that is given by alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus D upon A. So our alpha is 3 into beta is minus 2 and gamma is 1 equals to minus D is 6 upon A is 1. So minus 6 equals to minus 6, hence verified. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 2. In question number 2, he is asking, verify that 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial Px, 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10, and verify the relation between 0 and its coefficient. So, firstly, we know that if 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 3 is zeros of given polynomial, then the value of polynomial at x equals to 5 or x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1 upon 3 will be equals to 0. So from here we have given Px is 3x cube minus 10x square minus 27x plus 10. So firstly we will check at x equals to 5. Our p polynomial Px will be equals to 3 into 5 cube minus 10 into 5 square minus 27 into 5 plus 10. So 5q is 125 and 125 into 3 will be equals to 375. Now 5 square is 25 and 25 into 10 will be minus 250 and 27 into 5 will be equals to minus 135 plus 10. So from here 375 plus 10 will be equals to 385 and minus 250 minus 135 will be equals to minus 385. So this is equals to 0. So x equals to 5 will be an zero of given polynomial. Now we will check at x equals to -2. So Px will be at x equals to -2, 3 into -2 cube minus 10 into -2 square minus 27 into -2 plus 10. -2 cube will be -8 and -8 into 3 will be -24. And -2 square will be 4 and 4 into -10 will be -40. Now -27 into -2 will be equals to 54 and plus 10. So -24 and -40 will be equals to -64 and 54 plus 10 will be equals to plus 64. So 64 cancelled -64. This is equals to 0. Hence x equals to -2 will be an 0 of given polynomial. Now at x equals to 1 upon 3, our px will be 3 into 1 upon 3 whole cube minus 10 into 1 upon 3 whole square minus 27 into 1 upon 3 plus 10. So from 3, 1 power of 3 will be cancelled out. So this will be equals to 1 upon 9 and this will be equals to minus 10 upon 9. 3 says this will be cancelled out 9 times. So minus 9 plus 10. So from here 1 upon 9 minus 10 upon 9 minus 9 plus 10 will be equals to plus 1. So from here 9 is our LCM. So 1 minus 10, 1 9 is 9 plus 9. So from here 10 minus 10 upon 9. So this is equals to 0. Hence, so 1 upon 3 also be an 0 of given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation between its 0 and coefficient. So we have given 3 0. First 0 is alpha, that is 5. Second 0 is beta, that is -2. And third 0 is gamma, that is equals to 1 upon 3. So from here, firstly, sum of zeros, और इस इक्वेशन को हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से कंपेयर कराएंगे तो हमारा a विल बी इक्वल्स टू 3, b विल बी इक्वल्स टू -10, c विल बी इक्वल्स टू -27 and d will be equals to plus 10. So sum of 0 is given by alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equals to minus b upon a. So alpha is 5, beta is -2 and gamma is 1 upon 3 equals to minus b minus -10 upon a is 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 1 upon 3 equals to 10 upon 3. So from here 10 upon 3 will be equals to 10 upon 3. Now product of zeros taking 2 at a time. Here we have to add sum of product of 0 taking 2 at a time. So that will be given by alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equals to C upon A. So our alpha is 5, beta is minus 2 plus beta minus 2 into gamma 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 into alpha is 5 equals to C upon A. So C is minus 27 and A is 3. 5 into minus 2 will be minus 10, minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 will be equals to minus 27 upon 3. So here 3 is our LCM. So this will become minus 30 minus 2 plus 5 equals to minus 27 upon 3. So minus 30 and minus 2 will be minus 32 plus 5. This will be equals to minus 27 upon 3 equals to minus 27 upon 3. Now last product of zeros, that will be equals to alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus d upon a. So alpha is 5 into beta is minus 2 and gamma is 1 upon 3, that is equals to minus d minus 10 upon a is 3. This will be minus 10 upon 3 will be equals to minus 10 upon 3. Hence verified. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b. Question number 3. Find a cubic polynomial whose zeros are 2, minus 3 and 4. In this problem, we have given that 3 zeros of cubic polynomial are 2, minus 3 and 4. So our alpha, first zero is 2, second zero is beta, that is minus 3, and third zero is gamma, that is 4. And we know that if alpha, beta and gamma is known, then cubic polynomial will be equals to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x plus square alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x plus minus alpha into beta into gamma equals to 0. So now we are going to put the value of alpha, beta and gamma here. So our polynomial will be x cube minus alpha is 2, beta is minus 3 and gamma is plus 4 into x square plus alpha beta 2 into beta is minus 3 plus beta into gamma minus 3 into 4, that will be equals to minus 12 plus gamma into alpha 8x minus alpha into beta into gamma will be equals to 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, minus 24, so this will become plus 24 equals to 0. So x cube, 4 and 2 6 and 6 minus 3 will be 3. So minus 3x square and 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6, minus 6 and minus 12 will be minus 18, minus 18 plus 8 will be minus 10x. So minus 10x plus 24 equals to 0. This is our cubic polynomial. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find a cubic polynomial whose zeros are 1/2, 1 and -3. So we have given that first zero alpha is 1/2, second zero beta is 1, and third zero gamma is -3. And we know that cubic polynomial is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha into beta into gamma equals to 0. सो हमें अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा पता है. सबसे पहले हम अल्फा प्लस गामा निकालेंगे, अल्फा बीटा बीटा गामा प्लस गामा अल्फा निकालेंगे, एंड देन अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा निकालेंगे, देन इस इक्वेशन में पुट कर देंगे. सो फर्स्टली हियर वी विल फाइंड अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा, that is equals to 1/2 plus 1 minus 3. So our LCM will be 2, 1 plus 2 minus 6. So this will be equals to 6, 1 and 2 3, and minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 3/2. So this is our alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now we will find alpha into beta into gamma, that will be equals to alpha is 1/2, beta is 1 and gamma is -3. So this will be equals to -3/2. Now we will find alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So our alpha is 1/2 into beta is 1, so this will be 1/2 plus beta into gamma, so 1 into -3 will be -3, and gamma into alpha, that will be equals to -3/2. So from here our LCM will be 2, this is 1, this will be -6, and this will be -3. So this will comes as -8/2, that is -4. So here we have the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha into beta into gamma, and alpha beta beta gamma and gamma alpha. Now putting, so x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma is -3/2 x square. We have alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha -4, so plus -4 x minus alpha into beta into gamma minus -3/2 equals to 0. So x cube plus 3/2 x square minus 4x plus 3/2 equals to 0. So our LCM is 2, so this way 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 will be equals to 0. So 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 will be 0. This is our cubic polynomial. RS Agrawal chapter polynomial exercise 2B क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हमें दिया हुआ है कि हमें एक क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करना है जिसके जीरोज का सम और सम ऑफ द जीरोज, सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो टेकिंग टू एट अ टाइम and product of zeros is 5, -2 and -24 respectively. So in this problem we have given that sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equals to 5, and sum of the product of zero taking 2 at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is -2, and product of zeros is alpha into beta into gamma, that is -24. We know that the cubic polynomial is given by x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha into beta into gamma. So we have already given alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta beta gamma, gamma alpha and alpha beta gamma. Now on putting the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, x cube minus 5 x cube alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha, that is -2, minus 2x and minus alpha beta gamma. So our cubic polynomial will be x cube minus 5x cube 5x square minus 2x plus 24. This is our cubic polynomial and this is our answer. RS Agrawal chapter polynomial exercise 2B question number 6. In question number 6 we have to find quotient and remainder when fx is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 is divided by gx is equals to x square minus 2. So basically in this problem we have to divide fx by gx. So firstly we will write down x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and x square minus 2. So यहाँ हमें x cube दिया हुआ है and we have x square. To make x cube we will multiply x square minus 2 by x. So this will become x cube minus 2x. Sign will change, minus plus. So x cube will be cancelled out. So we have minus 3x square and plus 2x. So and this is plus 5x. So plus 5x and plus 2x, that will be equal to 7x and minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. Now we have given x square and we have to find minus 3x square. So we will multiply by minus 3. So this will become minus 3x square and minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Sign will be changed, plus minus. This will be cancelled out. 7x minus 9 is our remainder and x minus 3 is our क्वेश्चन। एस अग्रवाल चैप्टर पॉलिनोमियल एक्सरसाइज 2B प्रॉब्लम नंबर 7। प्रॉब्लम नंबर 7 में हमें एफ एक्स दिया हुआ है एंड जी एक्स दिया हुआ है और हमें एफ एक्स को डिवाइड करना है जी एक्स से एंड देन हमें क्वेश्चन बताना है रिमाइंडर। सो x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. So firstly we will rearrange this. So this will be x square minus x plus 1. अब यहाँ पर देखिए x टू दी पावर 4 है और हमें जो डिवाइजर में जो पावर दी है वो एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो हमें एक्स टू दी पावर 4 चाहिए। तो सबसे पहले हम डिवाइजर में एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो दिस विल बिकम एक्स टू दी पावर 4 एंड एक्स स्क्वायर का मल्टीप्लाई माइनस एक्स में किया, सो दिस विल बिकम माइनस एक्स क्यूब एंड एक्स स्क्वायर का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये आ गया प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, माइनस प्लस माइनस, ये कैंसल आउट हुआ। ये माइनस का 3x स्क्वायर है और ये माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है एंड दिस इज प्लस एक्स क्यूब, तो ये तो एज इट इज आ गया। एंड माइनस 3x स्क्वायर एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, दिस विल बी माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 5। नाउ हमें एक्स क्यूब चाहिए, इधर एक्स स्क्वायर दिया है तो अब हम एक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स माइनस प्लस माइनस कैंसल आउट हो गया, तो ये आ गया हमारा माइनस का 3x स्क्वायर, दिस विल बी प्लस 3x एंड प्लस 5। सो या माइनस 3x स्क्वायर है, ये एक्स स्क्वायर है, अभी माइनस 3, तो ये आ जाएगा माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, माइनस 3 इंटू माइनस एक्स प्लस 3x एंड माइनस 3 इंटू 1 माइनस 3। सो प्लस माइनस प्लस कैंसल्ड आउट हो गए, 5 plus 3 will be 8. This is our remainder and this is our quotient. R.S. Agrawal chapter polynomial exercise 2B क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में हमें क्वेश्चन बताना है, रिमाइंडर बताना है जब एफ एक्स को जी एक्स से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं। तो डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, एक्स टू द पावर 4 माइनस 5x प्लस 6 एंड जी एक्स इज 2 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, इसको रीअरेंज कर लेते हैं, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2। देखो यहाँ में एक्स टू द पावर 4 दिया हुआ है और ये हमारा माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो हमें एक्स टू द पावर 4 चाहिए। तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एक्स टू द पावर 4 आए तो इसमें माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं, तो दिस विल बी एक्स टू द पावर 4 एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू प्लस 2, दैट विल बी माइनस 2x स्क्वायर। साइन चेंज हो गए, माइनस प्लस, ये कैंसल आउट हुआ, 2x स्क्वायर यहाँ आ गया, ये माइनस का 5x प्लस 6, और हमें 2x स्क्वायर चाहिए एंड वी हैव हियर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। सो अब माइनस 2 से तो ये हो जाएगा 2x स्क्वायर एंड 2 इंटू माइनस 2 माइनस 4, साइन चेंज हो गए, माइनस प्लस कैंसल्ड आउट हुआ, माइनस 5x प्लस 10, दिस इज अवर रिमाइंडर and this is our quotient. R.S. Agrawal chapter polynomial exercise 2B. In question number 9 we have to show by actual division that x square minus 3 is factor of 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 9x minus 12. So अगर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3 इस पॉलिनोमियल का एक फैक्टर है, तो जब इससे इसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर आएगा 0। सो 2x टू द पावर 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 9x minus 12. This is x square minus 3. So here is 2x to the power 4 and this is x square. So we will multiply it by 2x square. So this will be 2x to the power 4 and 2x square into minus 3 will be minus 6x square minus plus. This will be cancelled out. 3x cube. This is minus 2x square. This is plus 6x square. So this will be 4x square minus 9x minus 12. This is 3x cube and this is x square. So now 3x. This will be 3x cube minus 9x. Sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out and similarly this will be. So 4x square minus 12. Now we'll multiply it by 4. So this will be 4x square minus 12 minus plus 0. Here remainder is 0. So here remainder is 0. So x square minus 3 is factor of 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 9x minus 12. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 10. In question number 10, he is asking if the polynomial x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18 is divided by another polynomial x square plus 5, the remainder comes out to be px plus q. Find the value of p and q. So see, यहाँ हम इस पॉलिनोमियल को किसी अनदर पॉलिनोमियल एक्स स्क्वायर 5 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो जो हमारा रिमाइंडर आ रहा है वो पी एक्स प्लस क्यू के इक्वल है। तो हमें पी और क्यू की वैल्यू बतानी है। तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, इस पॉलिनोमियल को इस पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे और जो हमारा रिमाइंडर आएगा उसे इसके साथ कंपेयर करा देंगे। देन वी विल गॉट वैल्यू ऑफ पी एंड क्यू। सो द पॉलिनोमियल इज x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18, and this is x square plus 5. So firstly x square, so this will be x to the power 4 plus 5x square minus this will be cancelled out, 2x cube as it is, 8x square minus 5x square, that will be plus 3x square plus 12x plus 18. Now we have to get 2x cube, so we will multiply x square by 2x. So this will be 2x cube and plus 10x minus this will be cancelled out, 3x square as it is, 12x minus 10x will be 2x and this is 18. So now 3x square plus 15 minus 3x square will be cancelled out, 2x and 18 minus 15 will be 3. So our remainder is 2x plus 3, and he is saying that the remainder will comes out to be px plus 2. Now on comparing, our remainder comes out 2x plus 3 and he is saying px plus q. So here see, here coefficient of x is 2 and here coefficient of x is p. So from here p will be equals to what? 2, and here constant term is 3 and here constant term is q. So from here q will be equals to 3. So our p is 2 and q will be 3. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 11. In question number 11, he is saying on dividing 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by a polynomial gx, quotient and remainder are 3x minus 5 and 9x plus 10 respectively. Find gx. So we know that by division algorithm, our px will be equals to gx into qx plus rx. So our px is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. We have to find gx, and our qx is 3x minus 5 plus our rx is 9x plus 10. So shift the 9x plus 10 into this side. So this will become 3x cube plus x square. This is 2x and this is 9x. When we take 9x into this side, this will become negative. So 2x minus 9x will be minus 7x. And 5 minus 10 will be minus 5 equals to gx into 3x minus 5. So from here gx will be equals to 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5 upon 3x minus 5. Now divide this polynomial by 3x minus 5, then we will got gx. So here I am going to divide 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5. This is 3x minus 5. So this is 3x cube. So firstly we will multiply it by x square. So this will become 3x cube minus 5x square minus plus, so this will be cancelled out. X square plus 5x square will be 6x square minus 7x minus 5. This is 6x square, this is 3x. So 2x, 6x square minus 10x minus plus, this will be cancelled out, minus 7x and plus 10x. So this will be 3x minus 5. Now 1, 3x minus 5 minus plus 0. So gx will be equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. This is our answer. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 12. In question number 12, we have to verify the division algorithm for the polynomial fx equals to 8 plus 20x plus x square minus xx cube and gx equals to 2 plus 5x minus 3x square. So firstly, we will divide fx by gx. So firstly we will rearrange fx minus 6x cube plus x square plus 20x plus 8, and gx is minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2. See, this is minus 3x square and this is minus 6x cube. So firstly 2x, so minus 6x cube plus 10x square plus 4x. Now sign will be changed, plus minus minus, so this will be cancelled out. Minus 9x square plus 16x plus 8, minus 9x square, this is minus 3x square, so minus plus 3, so this will become minus 9x square, this will be 15x, and this will be 6 plus minus minus, this will be cancelled out, plus 16x minus 15x, that will be equals to x, and 8 minus 6 will be 2. So this is our remainder Rx. So we know that the division algorithm is Fx is equals to Gx into Qx plus Rx. So from here our Fx is 8 plus 20x plus x square minus 6x cube. Gx is 2 plus 5x minus 3x square, and this is our Qx. Qx is 2x plus 3, and remainder is x plus 2. So 2x into 2, that will be 4x, 10x square, and minus 6x cube. 3 to the 6 plus 15x and minus 9x square plus x plus 2. So this is 4. Firstly 6 and 2, 8. Now look at this term of x. So from here this is 10x square, 4x plus 15x, 19x plus x, 20x, 10x square minus 9x square will be x square, and this is minus 6x cube. So this is equals to what? 8 plus 20x plus x square minus 6x cube. Hence verified. Chapter Polynomial exercise 2b, question number 13. It is given that minus 1 is one of the zeros of polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12. Find all the zeros of given polynomial. We have given that minus 1 is one of the zeros of polynomial. So this is degree 3 polynomial, so its 0 will be 3. We have given 1 0. We have to find other 2 zeros. So we have given x equals to minus 1 is one of the zeros of given polynomial. So from here x plus 1 will be factor of x plus 1 will be the factor of given polynomial. So when we divide x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12, then x plus 1 will completely divide this polynomial. So on dividing x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12 by x plus 1, so x square, this will become x cube, and x square minus this will be cancelled out, 2x square minus x square minus 11x minus 12, this is x square, this is x, so now x, so x square plus x minus this will be cancelled out, minus 12x minus 12, now minus 12, so this will be minus 12x minus 12, 0. So from here our polynomial px can be written as gx into qx. So x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12 will be equals to x plus 1 x square plus x minus 12. So x plus 1 is already a factor. So now we will split this polynomial, x plus 1 x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. So x plus 1, from here x is common, x plus 4 minus 3 x plus 4. So our factor will be x plus 1 x minus 3 and x plus 4. These all three are factors. So from here zeros will be 3, minus 4 and minus 1. These are the all three zeros. When we individually put all these factor equals to 0, from here x will becomes as minus 1, from here x will becomes 3, and from here x will becomes as minus. Agrawal chapter polynomial exercise 2b question number 14. In question number 14 we have given if 1 and minus 2 are two zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10, find its third zero. ये एक डिग्री 3 का पॉलिनोमियल दिया हुआ है, हमें इसके दो जीरोज गिवन है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड जीरो. सो our polynomial is x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. We know that standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. On comparing, our a will be 1, b will be minus 4, c will be minus 7 and d will be 10. So let's consider we have given 2 0 alpha equals to 1, beta equals to minus 2, and we have to find third zero gamma. So we know that sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a. So our alpha is 1, beta is minus 2, we have to find gamma, and equals to minus b, minus 4 upon a is 1. So 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 plus gamma will be equals to 4. So gamma will be 4 plus 1, that is 5. So from here the third zero will be 5. Hence third zero will be 5. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 15. In question number 15, we have given if 3 and minus 3 are two zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. Find all the zeros of given polynomial. So we have given 3 and minus 3 are two zeros of the polynomial. So x equals to 3 is 1 0 and x equals to minus 3 is another 0. So x minus 3 will be one of the factor of this polynomial and x plus 3 will be another factor. So when we multiply these two factors, then the product of these two factors will divide the given polynomial completely, and after that when we further factorize the quotient, then we will got another two zeros. So the product of two factors will be x minus 3, x plus 3. So this will be equals to x square minus 9. So now we will divide this x square x to the power 4 minus 9 x square minus plus, so this will be cancelled out, x cube minus 11x square, and this is plus 9x square, so we will get minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Now x cube minus 9x minus plus, this will also be cancelled out, and this will be minus 2x square plus 18. Now minus 2, so this will be minus 2x square and this will be plus 18. This and both we cancelled out. So this is our quotient. Now we will vectorize this. So x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equals to 0. x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2. So x minus 1 and x plus 2 will be other two factor. So our other two 0 will be x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2. These are our other two. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 16. In question number 16, we have given if 2 and minus 2 are two zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x square plus 20x plus 12. Find all the zeros of given polynomial. So we have given two zeros, 2 and minus 2. So first zero is x equals to 2 and second zero is x equals to minus 2. So our factor will be x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then product of these two factor will be x square minus 4. When we divide our given polynomial by x square minus 4, then we will get product of other two factor, and when we factorize the quotient, then we will get other two factors. So 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x square plus 20x plus 12. So 2x square, this will be 2x to the power 4 minus 8x square minus plus. So this will be cancelled out, minus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 20x plus 12. This is minus 5x cube, so now minus 5x cube plus 20x plus minus, this will be cancelled out, minus 3x square plus 12 minus 3x square plus 12, 0. So this is our quotient. This is the product of other two factor of this polynomial. Now we will factorize this and find the factor, and from the help of the factors we will find other two zeros. So this is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So we will solve it by middle term splitting. So we have to find the 2 into 3 factor of 6 such that their difference is 5. So 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here 2x is common, x minus 3, and from here 1 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So this is 2x plus 1 and this is x minus 3 equals to 0. So our two factor is x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. So from here 2x plus 1 will be equals to 0. So x will be minus 1 upon 2. This is our one of the factor, one of the 0, and x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here x will be equals to 3. So x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1 upon 2 will be the other two 0, other than that 2 and minus 2. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 17. In question number 17, he is asking about to find all the zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 23x square minus 3x plus 60 if it is given that two of its zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. So we have given two of the zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. So our two factor will be x minus root 3 and x plus root 3. Then product of these two factor will be x square minus 3. So now dividing this polynomial by x square minus 3. x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 23x square minus 3x plus 60. So x square, x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus plus, so this will be cancelled out. This is minus 23x square and this is plus 3x square, so this will be minus 20x square, x cube as it is, minus 3x plus 60. So now this is x cube, so plus x cube minus x cube minus 3x minus plus, so this will be cancelled out, minus 20x square plus 60. So now minus 20, so minus 20x square plus 60 plus minus, this is 0. So our quotient is x square plus x minus 20. Now we will factorize this. We have to find the factor of 20 such that their difference is 1. So 5 4 is 20. So x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equals to 0. So from first two term x is common, this will be x plus 5. From last two term minus 4 is common, that this will be x plus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 4 and x plus 5 will be two other factors. So from here x minus 4 equals to 0, so x equals to 4 and x plus 5 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 5. So x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 5 will be other two R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 18. In question number 18, we have given a polynomial of degree 4 and 2 of its 0. We have to find other two 0. So now we have given two zeros, x equals to root 5 and x equals to minus root 5. So two of the factor will be x minus root 5 and x plus root 5. अब इन दोनों फैक्टर का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे और प्रोडक्ट से पॉलिनोमियल को डिवाइड करेंगे एंड डिवाइड करने के बाद जो हमारा क्वेश्चन आएगा उसको फर्दर फैक्टराइज करेंगे और अदर टू जीरो फाइंड कर लेंगे. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू जीरो विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5, a plus b and a minus b. So product will be x square minus 5. Now we will divide our given polynomial. This is x square, so x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 5 x square minus plus, so x to the power 4 will be cancelled out, 4x cube, this is plus 5x square and this is minus 2x square, so 3x square minus 20x minus 15. So now plus 4x cube minus 20x minus plus, this will be cancelled out and this will also be cancelled out, 3x square minus 15. So now 3x square minus 15 minus plus 0. Now we will got our quotient x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this, and from the factor of this polynomial we will find our other two zero. So x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. From first two term x is common, so x plus 3. From last two term 1 is common, x plus 3 equals to 0. So x plus 1 and x plus 3 will be the factor. From here x plus 1 will be equals to 0, so x equals to minus 1 will be another 0, and x plus 3 equals to 0. From here x will be minus 3. So our other two zeros will be minus 1 and minus 3. 2 0 already given, root 5 and minus root 5. Harish Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 19. In question number 19, we have to obtain all the zeros of polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 2x plus 24 if two of its zero are root 2 and minus root 2. So we have given two of the zeros of this polynomial, that is x equals to root 2 and x equals to minus root 2. So two of the factors will be x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. So product of these factor will be x square minus 2 by, now we will divide polynomial by product of two factor, that is x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 2x plus 24. So x to the power x square, x to the power 4 minus 2x square minus plus, so this will be cancelled out, x cube, this will be minus 12x square minus 2x plus 24 plus x cube minus 2x minus plus, so both of these will be cancelled out, minus 12x square plus 24. Now minus 12 minus 12x square plus 24 plus minus 0. Now we will factorize x square plus x minus 12. So we have to find factor of 12 such that their difference is 1. So 4 and 3. So x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. From first two term x is common, x plus 4. From last two term minus 3 is common, x plus 4 equals to 0. So x minus 3 and x plus 4 will be the two factors. So from here x minus 3 will be equals to 0. So x equals to 3 will be the 0. X plus 4 equals to 0. So from here x equals to minus 4 will be another 0. So these are our other two zeros. R.S. Agrawal, chapter polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 20. In question number 20, we have to find all the zeros of polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 13x cube plus 19x square plus 7x minus 3 if two of its zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So now we have given two of the zeros. First zero is x equals to 2 plus root 3, and second zero x equals to 2 minus root 3. So from here our first factor will be x minus 2 minus root 3, and second factor will be x minus 2 plus root 3. Now product of these two zeros will be x minus 2 minus root 3 into x plus x minus 2 plus root 3. This is, let consider x minus 2 as a and root 3 as b. So a minus b and a plus b, that will be equals to a square minus b square. So our a is x minus 2 square minus root 3 square. So a minus b whole square will be x square plus 4 minus 4x, and minus root 3 square will be 3. This will be x square minus 4x plus 1. This is the product of these two factors. Now we will divide our polynomial by product of these two factors, and then further factorize quotient, and in this way we will get other two zeros. So x square minus 4x plus 1, 2x to the power 4 minus 13x cube plus 19x square plus 7x minus 3. So this is x square and this is 2x to the power 4. So 2x square, this will be 2x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 2x square minus plus minus. So this will be cancelled out. This is minus 13x cube and this is plus 8x cube. So minus 5x cube. This is plus 19x square and this is minus 2x square. So plus 17x square. Now minus 5x. This will become minus 5x cube minus 20x square minus 5x. So plus minus plus, this will be cancelled out. This is plus 17x square, this is minus 20x square, so minus 3x square plus 7x, this is plus 5x plus 12x minus 3. So now minus 3 minus 3x square plus 12x and minus 3 plus minus plus. So our remainder is 0. Now we'll further factorize quotient. Our quotient is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So we have to find factor of 6 such that their difference is 5. So 6 and 1. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. From first two term 2x is common, x minus 3. From last two term 1 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 will be 2 factor. So from here our two zeros will be 2x plus 1 equals to 0, So x will be minus 1 upon 2 and x minus 3 equals to 0. From here x will be equals to 3. These are our two. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial exercise 2b, question number 21. In question number 21, we have given 1 zeros of the polynomial 3x cube plus 16x square plus 15x minus 18 is 2 upon 3. Find the other zeros of polynomial. So we have given degree 3 polynomial whose 1 zero is 2 upon 3. So we have to find other 2 zeros. So we have given x equals to 2 upon 3 is one of the zeros. So 3x equals to 2. So 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So 3x minus 2 will be the factor of given polynomial. So now we will divide it. 3x cube plus 16x square plus 15x minus 18. 3x minus 2. So x square 3x cube minus 2x square minus plus. This will be cancelled out. This will be 18x square plus 15x. Now 6x, this will be 18x square minus 12x minus plus. This will be cancelled out. 27x minus 18. Now 9, 27x minus 18 minus plus. So this will be equals to 0. So this is our quotient. Now we will further factorize this. X square plus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. So we have to find factor of 9 such that their sum is 6. So 3 and 3, x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. From here x is common, so this will be x plus 3. From here 1 is common, 3 is common, this will be x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3 are two factors. So x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 3 will be our two zeros. Chapter Polynomial exercise 2b, question number 22. In question number 22, we have to find all the zeros of polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if it is given that two of its zeros are 1 and 1 upon 2. So we have given one of its 0 is 1 and another 0 is 1 upon 2. So from here x minus 1 will be one factor and 2x minus 1 will be another factor. So product of these two factors will be 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is the product of these two factors. Now we will divide this polynomial by product of these two factors. Then we will got quotient and then further factorize quotient and got other two zeros. So 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now this is now firstly x square 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus x square. Now sign will be changed, so minus plus minus, so both of these will be cancelled out. Minus 3x square and minus x square, minus 4x square minus 3x minus 6x plus 6x minus 2. Now this is 2x square minus 2, so minus 4x square plus 6x minus 2 plus minus plus 0. So x square minus 2 is our quotient. So from here x square will be equals to 2, so x will be equals to plus minus under root 2. So our other two zeros will be x equals to root 2 and x equals to minus root 2. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2b, question number 23. In question number 23, we have to find all the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. It being given that two of its zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. तो हमें यहाँ दो zeros given है. So first zero is x equals to 3 plus root 2. And another 0 is 3 minus root 2. So from here our factors will be x minus 3 minus root 2, and from here x minus 3 plus root 2. So product of these two zeros will be, let's consider x minus 3 as a and root 2 as b. So yeah, here is minus sign and here is plus. So a plus b and a minus b, that will be equals to a square minus b square, that is root 2. So x square plus 9 minus 6x minus 2. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 7. This is the product of two factors. So now we will divide our polynomial by x square minus 6x plus 7. Two x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. So we will got, firstly this is x square, this is 2x to the power 4, so we will multiply by 2x square. This will be 2x to the power 4, this will be minus 12x cube and plus 14x square, minus plus minus, sign will be changed, this will be cancelled out, this is minus 11x cube and this is plus 12x cube. So we will got x cube, this is 7x square, this is minus 14x square. So we will got minus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Now x cube minus 6x square plus 7 x minus plus minus, this will be cancelled out, minus x square plus 6x minus 7. Now minus 1 minus x square plus 6x minus 7 plus minus plus. So our remainder is 0. So this is our quotient. Now we will further factorize our quotient, that is 2x square plus x minus 1. So we have to find factor of 2 such that their difference is 1. So 2 1 are 2. So 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. From first two term 2x is common, so x plus 1. Last term minus 1 is common, x plus 1 equals to 0. So our factor will be 2x minus 1 and x plus 1. So from here our zeros will be x equals to minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 and x equals to minus 1. These are our other two zeros.